Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make roles look good in Discord. First, navigate to your server settings and select the Roles tab. Here, you can manage existing roles or create new ones. Focus on clear organization and visual appeal to enhance your server's user experience. Thoughtful role design makes navigation intuitive and engaging for all server members. Next, let's focus on naming and coloring. Give your roles clear, concise names that instantly convey their purpose. For colors, pick shades that are easy to distinguish and visually appealing. Consider using a consistent color scheme, perhaps 3 to 5 primary colors, to maintain a professional and organized look throughout your entire server. Now, let's organize your roles effectively. In role settings, enable display role members separately from online members to make your member list cleaner. Arrange roles by dragging them into a logical order, typically from highest to lowest authority. This visual hierarchy helps members understand the server structure and their place within it. Finally, let's explore some advanced tips. Consider adding a small, relevant emoji to your role names to make them pop. You can also use Unicode characters for creative separators or unique visual elements. Remember to periodically review your role setup. As your server evolves, updating roles ensures they remain functional and aesthetically pleasing for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.